Hey, I'm Candace, and today I have this dryer vent connector kit from Keycci that I have been sent to check out. So this kit fits a 4-inch hose. So let's see what's in here. All right, so let's start. This is the wall plate. So as you can see, it's got the 4 holes for the screws. This looks like it would be really good for tight spaces, and the quality looks really good. It's very hard plastic. So that's the wall plate. And it comes with these 4 screws that go in the wall plate. And then this is the snap connector. So this is what would go on your hose, and then you would put it in here and snap it. So that goes to your 4-inch dryer hose. And this is the airtight gasket. So this would go on the other end. So you'd have your hose here, snap it into here, and then this is the airtight gasket that would go on this side. So the quality looks really, really good. They've done a good job on the craftsmanship of this. So if you're in the market for a 4-inch, connector for your dryer hose, I would recommend considering this one from Keycci.